Hello, it's Johnny. I have good news. I got the Sega Genesis working 781 game of Sega Genesis. Not the full pack, but most of them. So let's go ahead and get out of the game. Now, the good news is most of them working because I used the what you call it, I used the file that I download from the patent show, where it had the Excel file and then you could just grab the whole thing, and it seemed to work fine. It's just that not all the game will work. Okay, so there's too many files for me to check every single one of them. So if those of you who know which one doesn't work, let me know and I'll try to see if I can fix it. But this image, it actually came from a PC CoinOps PC version. So what I did is I transferred the PC version to the CoinOpsX X version. Okay, so as you can see, some of them do not work, and I haven't tested every one of them, but some of them do work. Okay, so this one do not work either. And I really don't know why some work and why some do not work. So it is kind of weird. It seems like if you do it one at a time, it seems to work better. But if you do all at one time, see, some of them will work and some of them will not work. Now the good news is if you run it from the other side, like using the bring your own, if you run it from that side, it will work. I believe so. Okay, so as you can see, it does work. It just not all the game will work. I never played this game before. Alright, let's go find my Street of Rage, my favorite game, see if it work. Oh, here's Sonic. Let's try Sonic the Knuckle. Hey, it worked. So this is the thing. It's a hit and miss. Some game does work, some game do not work. So in order to fix it, you have to do one at a time. So if you do one at a time, it will fix the problem. It just now I believe it's probably maybe the ROM issue. Maybe we download the ROM might fix it, which is kind of weird that some of them will work and some of them will not work, which is kind of very strange. All right, let's go see if we could find the Street of Rage. Oh, I like that game. I wonder if that can work. All right, let's go back to the Stargate. Now everything, all the videos should be there. All the wheel should be there. The background is there. So that's pretty cool. Here you go, Street of Rage. Let me try my favorite one, Street of Rage 2. See if it works. Ooh, it worked. So this is it's a good news and bad news, meaning that not all the game will work, okay, but most of them will work. So if the one do not work, just send me the link. I mean, not the link, but send me the name of each game, you know, and I will definitely test it out. I mean, I will we compile it and then hopefully and then test it, see if it works. If it works, I will send the UCE, and then you guys could just recompile it. But it surely is nice to have Sega Genesis working. So that kind of encouraged me to get other console working, since we could run the batch and run everything all at one time. It just takes a long time to create all the box art, all the bezel and making sure they all have the same name, and then it will work. Now I have some that are missing box art when you go to the other one, but this one should all work because I grabbed the images from the CoinOpsX PC version, the PC version of the from the CoinOpsX PC version. See, like this one did not work, and this is one of my favorite games. It's crazy. See that? About the Strider return. Oh, now that one worked, but the other one did not work, which is kind of weird. Now they do have an arcade one that does work on this one. Okay, I'll provide you guys the link, and then you guys could try it out. Now, I don't really like this. I picked that one, but it have a transparency white. But for some reason, the CoinOpsX, for some reason, doesn't do transparency very well. So you have a white background. So I need to pick something that's more solid name. That way, it won't have this issue. Does it use trackball? Nope. Okay, just a quick short video, and I'll put the description at the bottom. Now I do have the link of how I put this together. If you want to look at it, it's an hour-long video. Those who curious how I got this working, but yeah, it does work. It just not 100% working, you know. But most of them does work. So let's go back to the top, see what other game like could test. When you click too much, it's just going to keep on rolling all the way up to the top. Okay, let's see. Let's play this one. I like this game too. See if this one work. Yep, it looks like it's gonna work. So most, I guess you could say most. Some of them do not work, but most of them does work. Oh yeah, I want to try the Michael Jackson. It might look better with the scan line turned on, I believe. Ooh. Okay, where's the... Now, Shadow Dance does work. I already tried. That was the first one when I was in. Which one I was thinking about trying? Oh, I'm trying Michael Jackson. So let's go press Z to go back up. Okay, one more time. Go to M. And, oop, man. Why did it jump from M to N so quick? Oh, I mean William. Where's Michael Jackson? Okay, here we go, Genesis. Alright, need to go down to the M. Go to B. Go to C. Go to D. Go to E. F. G. Alright, there's M. Alright, let's go look for Michael Jackson. I mean, that's not, I don't know, I don't really like that background. They could have picked a, yeah, they could pick a better background. I might change, I don't know. There's too much stuff that I want to do on the change, but if I don't write it down, I'll definitely forget it. Yeah, so this one does work. So that's cool.